Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a kind and hard-working farmer named Jack. He had 5 sons, named Alex, Ben, Charlie, David, and Eddie. They lived on a beautiful farm, surrounded by green fields, happy animals, and a big, red barn. Jack loved his sons dearly, but they had one major flaw: they were extremely greedy. They always wanted more and more, and never seemed satisfied with what they had. One day, Jack called his sons together and said, "My dear boys, I'm getting old, and I want to divide my farm among you. But I have one condition. You must each dig a hole in the farm, and whatever you find in it, you can keep." The 5 greedy sons were overjoyed. They quickly started digging their holes, hoping to find gold, jewels, or other treasures. Alex dug a hole in the field, but found only rocks and weeds. Ben dug a hole near the barn, but found only old tools and rusty machinery. Charlie dug a hole in the garden, but found only carrots and potatoes. David dug a hole near the pond, but found only fish bones and muddy water. Eddie dug a hole in the forest, but found only leaves and twigs. The 5 sons were disappointed and frustrated. They had expected to find riches, but instead found only useless things. Just then, Jack appeared and said, "My dear sons, I see you're all disappointed. But let me tell you a secret. The real treasure was not what you found in the holes, but the holes themselves. You see, now we have 5 new wells on our farm, which will provide us with fresh water for years to come." The 5 sons looked at each other in surprise. They had been so focused on finding treasure that they had forgotten the value of hard work and teamwork. From that day on, the 5 sons learned to appreciate the value of their farm and the importance of working together. They became less greedy and more grateful for what they had. The moral of the story is that true wealth is not measured by gold or treasure, but by the relationships we build, the hard work we do, and the positive impact we have on our community.